Hello, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera to all my beloved students. Alright, okay, how are you today, girls? I hope you all in fine condition and always cheer up. Alright, so for today, we are going to continue our lesson with the chapter 14, Support and Movement in Humans and Animals, okay, with the subtopic 14.3. 14.3 movement and locomotion. Movement and locomotion. Alright, okay, so movement refer to the move, movement, pergerakan, and the locomotion. So what is a locomotion? Locomotion refer to the movement of the organisms from one place to another place. Alright, okay, that is referred to the locomotion, the movement of organisms from one place to another place. Alright, okay, so we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about the movement and locomotion of humans and animals in this subtopic. Okay, let's go to the learning standards that you have to cover in this subtopic. Pupils are able to, the first one, explain the movement mechanisms in human forearm, human forearm, and also human leg, during walking. Alright, okay, you have to explain the movement mechanism, in the human forearm and also in the human leg during walking. Alright, okay, then you go to the second learning standards. Describe briefly the locomotion mechanism in animals. Alright, okay, so okay, let's go to the first learning standard. Okay, we have to explain the mechanism of the movement in the forearm and also in the leg. Right? Okay, we go first to the movement of the human forearm. Okay, the movement of the human forearm. Human forearm. So this is our forearm. Forearm. Okay, the movement of the human forearm involves biceps. Okay, what is a bicep? Bicep is referred to the muscle. So this is bicep. Okay, and triceps. Okay, so this is triceps. The muscles of the forearm consist of biceps and triceps. Bicep muscle at the front, right? Okay, at the hind, that is a tricep. Tricep. Okay, so we already discussed in my previous video that bicep act as flexor. Biceps act as flexor. So what is a flexor? Flexor refer to the muscle that cause the bending of the limb. Alright, okay, that is a flexor. Okay, again, I repeat, what is a flexor? Flexor refer to the muscle, muscle that cause the bending of the limb. So here refer to the bending of the forearm. So that muscle we call as flexor. Right, flexor. So flexor refer to the muscle that bend the forearm here. So here biceps act as a flexor. Because when the bicep contract, what happened to the forearm? Forearm will bend. Right? Okay. And whereby triceps. Triceps. Here this is referred to the triceps. So triceps act as extensor. Act as extensor. So what does it mean by the extensor? Refer to the muscle, muscle that straighten, the limb. So in case here, the muscle that straighten the forearm. So here the extensor refer to the triceps, because when the tricep contract, it will extend or straighten the limb. Alright, okay, so make sure you know the concept of flexor and extensor. Okay, again, I repeat, what is a flexor? Flexor refers to the muscle that cause the bending of the limb, right? Okay, the bending of the forearm, the bending of the leg. Okay, that is referred to the flexor. Yeah, a muscle that cause the bending of the limb. Okay, whereby extensor, yeah, extensor refer to the muscle that cause the straightening, yeah, cause the straightening or the extending of the limb, right? Okay, so in the movement of the forearm, okay, the flexor here is the bicep. Yeah, flexor here is the bicep. Okay, because when the bicep contract, it will bend the forearm. Okay, so whereby the tricep. Okay, tricep is an extensor. Okay, extensor because when the tricep contract, yeah, it will cause the forearm straighten. Right? Okay, make sure you can remember that, right? Flexor and extensor. So bicep as flexor, tricep as extensor. Okay, so now let's discuss what happened during arm bending. Yeah, during arm bending. Yeah, okay. So this is referred to the arm bending, ya. Semasa kita membengkokkan lengan kita, ya. Alright. So when the bicep contract, okay, when the bicep contract. So here during the arm bending, bicep contract. Yeah, when the bicep contract, okay, you have to remember that when the muscle contract, it will become shortened. Yeah, when the muscle, especially bicep, contract, it will become shortened. Okay, when it becomes shortened, it will create a pulling force, a pull force. Yeah, it will create a pull force here. Yeah, so the pull force is transmitted to the radius. Yeah, transmitted to the radius here. Yeah, the pull force is transmitted to the radius, okay, through the tendon here, through the tendon, and at the same time tricep will relax, right? Okay, so just remember that, yeah, the muscle works in antagonist. Yeah, works in antagonist. When one muscle contract, the other muscle will relax. All right. Okay, so I repeat, when the bicep contract, yeah, the pull force is transmitted to the radius here. Yeah, radius here, through the tendon, yeah, by the tendons here. This is referred to the tendon. Okay, and then at the same time tricep relax. Okay, relax. Okay, what happened next? Okay, the radius is pulled upwards. Okay, now the radius here is pulled up. Yeah, is pulled up. That cause the arm to bend. Yeah, cause the arm to bend. Okay, so make sure you can explain, okay, what happened during arm bending or when we bend our arm. Okay, again, the bicep contract. Okay, the bicep contract and create a pull force. So this pull force is transmitted to the radius. Okay, this pull force is transmitted to the radius through tendon here. And then at the same time, tricep will relax. Okay, tricep will relax, right? Okay, it will become longer. Yeah, relax. And then what happened? The radius is pulled up. Okay, radius is pulled up. Why the radius pull up? Because the pull force from the bicep here, yeah, will pull the radius up. Okay, and cause the arm to bend. All right. Okay, that is what happened during arm bending. Okay, now we go to the situation when the arm straightening. Yeah, when the arm straightening, when we straighten our arm. Okay, so when the tricep contract, yeah, so this is referred to the tricep. Okay, tricep contract. Okay, it will become shortened. Yeah, the muscle become shortened and create a pull force. Right, again, then the pull force is transmitted to the ulna here, yeah, to the ulna. So this is referred to the ulna. Okay, and okay, what happened next? Okay, before that, you have to know that the pull force is transmitted to the ulna by tendon here. Okay, by tendon. So, okay, what is a tendon? Tendon refer to the tissue that connect muscle to the bone. So here, this tendon connect tricep to the ulna. Alright. Okay. So I repeat, when the tricep contract, the pull force is transmitted to the ulna by tendon. Okay. At the same time, bicep will relax. Okay, because the tricep contract, so the bicep will relax. Okay, and then what happened? Ulna is pulled downwards. Okay, ulna is pulled downwards. Yeah, pull downwards and straightening the arm. Alright. Okay, so that is refer to the explanation. Okay, what happened during the arm bending and the arm straightening. Okay, make sure you can explain the movement of the human forearm. Yeah, that involve the biceps and triceps. Okay, so we move to the next. Okay, the movement of the human leg, yeah, involve bicep femoris, yeah, bicep femoris, which is act as a flexor, and quadricep femoris, which is act as extensor. Okay, so when we look at the word of the flexor, means here that the bicep femoris will cause the bending of the leg. Okay, so I repeat, the bicep femoris will bend the leg. Yeah, the bicep femoris will bend the leg. Okay, whereby the quadricep femoris act as extensor, which it will straighten the leg. Yeah, we straighten the leg. Okay, so look at the diagram here. So this is referred to the flexor. Yeah, this is referred to bicep femoris. Okay, bicep femoris. So at the leg, the bicep at the behind. Yeah, at the behind of the leg. Alright. If at the forearm, the bicep at the front. Okay, so in the leg, okay, the bicep femoris at the hind leg. Right, at the behind part, and the quadricep. Okay, the quadricep at the front part here. Yeah, the quadricep femoris will straighten the leg. Alright, okay, so you have to know that the concept, which is flexor and extensor. So in the movement of the human leg, bicep femoris act as a flexor, which it will bend the leg. Okay, whereby the quadricep femoris act as extensor, which can straighten the leg. Right. Okay, now we go to the mechanism. How does we move the leg? Yeah, okay, how does the movement of the leg occur? Yeah, the movement of the leg occur. Okay, so starting from the here number one. Yeah, okay, before that I want to explain that. So this is referred to the anatomy of the leg, right? Okay, so you have to know that. Okay, so this is referred to the calf muscle. Okay, calf muscle. Yeah, so here refer to just now bicep femoris. Okay, here refer to the quadricep femoris. Okay, and okay, the calf muscle. So here this referred to the tibialis. Tibialis at the lower part here. Okay, tibialis. The calf muscle is here. Okay, that is referred to the muscle on the leg that you have to know. Alright, okay, now we go to the first mechanism. Okay, what happened when we move the leg? Okay, number one, the right calf muscle contract. Okay, the right calf muscle here. We discuss on what happened on the right leg first. Yeah, the right leg. Okay, usually we move the right leg first here to walk, right? Okay, so the right calf muscle contracts. So here refer to the calf muscle. So the calf muscle contract. When the calf muscle contract, it will become shortened. Yeah, it becomes shortened. It will create a pull force. So this pull force will lift up the heels. Okay, will lift the heels. Okay, will lift up the heels. Alright, okay, I repeat, the right calf muscle contract here and the heel lifts. Yeah, heel lifts up. Okay, number 2, what happened? On the same leg, right? The bicep femoris contract. Okay, now the bicep femoris contract here. Yeah, when the bicep femoris contract, okay, what happened? It will create a pulling force. Yeah, it will create a pulling force, and then it will cause the foot bend. Yeah, the foot bend. Okay, because the bicep femoris contract. Yeah, it will cause the foot here bend. Yeah, the foot bend. All right, and then the right leg is lifted. Yeah, the right leg is lifted. Okay, and then number 3. Okay, so when the right leg is lifted, now the body weight is supported by the left leg. Okay, the body weight supported by the left leg. Okay, and then after that, what happened? The quadricep femoris. Okay, we are still talking on the right leg, right? The quadricep femoris contract. Okay, so here is quadricep femoris. Yeah, quadricep femoris at the front part, right? Okay, contract. Okay, you become shortened. And it will create a pulling force that pull the tibia here and cause the straighten of the leg. Cause the straightening of the leg. Okay, so I repeat, yeah, the quadricep femoris contract and cause the straightening of the leg. Right, okay, and then number 4, the tibialis. Okay, so here is tibialis. Okay, tibialis contract, okay, become shortened and bring down the heel. Yeah, bring down the heel. Okay, as the right heel touch the ground, the body weight is shifted to the right leg. Okay, so I repeat, the tibialis contract and bring down the heel. Yeah, tibialis contract. Okay, contract. When it contract, it will pull the heel down. Okay, pull the heel down, and the right heel touch the ground. The body weight now is shifted to the right leg. Okay, so and the same process occur on the left leg. Right? Okay, so that is what occurred, have occurred during the movement of the leg. Yeah, movement of the human leg. Right? So you have to know that here, the bicep femoris, okay, bicep femoris will bend the leg. Yeah, okay, so the bicep act as flexor, yeah, that cause the bending of the leg. And the quadricep femoris here, okay, quadricep femoris here will straighten the leg. Yeah, so the quadricep femoris act as extensor. Yeah, extensor and flexor. Flexor refer to the muscle that bend the limb. Yeah, whereby extensor refer to the muscle that straightening the limb. All right. Okay. So that was refer to the movement of the human leg. Alright, so I think that's all in this video. We already discussed about the movement of the human forearm and the movement of the human leg. Alright, so I will continue the movement and locomotion of animals in my next video. Alright, okay, stay safe everyone. Take care.